In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a section up or down in spaces. If you've ever looked at your workspace and wished the most important sections were closer to the top, or wanted to group related areas together, this quick adjustment will help you keep everything clear and easy to navigate. Here's the idea. You'll use the menu attached to the Spaces area to change the order of a section. Think of it as nudging a section one slot higher or lower so your list reflects your priorities. You're not deleting anything, you're simply reordering what you already have. Start by locating the Spaces area in your interface, typically in the sidebar. Next to the word Spaces, you'll see a small three-dot icon, the vertical ellipsis. Click those three dots. This opens a compact menu of organization tools designed specifically for managing how your sections appear. In that menu, choose Move Section Up or Move Section Down. Pick the one that reflects what you want to do right now. Each time you click one of these options, the section moves a single position in that direction. If you need to move it several places, just repeat the same choice until it lands exactly where you want it. If you move it too far by accident, no problem. Use the opposite option to step it back to the right spot. A few quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't immediately see the three-dot icon, try hovering your cursor over the Spaces header, or make sure your sidebar is wide enough for all controls to appear. Depending on your workspace's permissions, you might need the right level of access to change the shared order. If the option is grayed out, check with your admin or confirm whether the order is personal or team-wide in your environment. As you tidy things up, think about what deserves prime real estate. Place your most used sections toward the top so you save time every day. Group related sections together so teammates can find what they need without hunting. And keep in mind that small, intentional moves add up. A couple of quick clicks can turn a cluttered list into a clean, logical structure. That's all there is to it. Click the three dots beside Spaces, then choose Move Section Up or Move Section Down to fine-tune your layout. With just a few clicks, your spaces will reflect how you actually work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your newly organized